So hello, my name is Ananda Mukherjee, and I completed a PhD program at the University of Colorado Boulder in atmospheric sciences. So atmospheric sciences includes weather, meteorology, climate, and air pollution, and that was my focus, and that's also my current job. I'm an air quality scientist for a company called Sonoma Technology.
As someone who studies the climate and the environment, what are the likely coming changes that we're going to see from climate change?
So warming. Across the surface of the Earth, the oceans are warming, the lowest layer of the atmosphere is warming, and some parts of the world are warming faster than others, like the Arctic. And then with that, you're seeing a global trend in melting ice. Both of those contribute to sea level rise.
Hmm.
So the warming of the oceans and the melting of land ice into the ocean from glaciers and Antarctica and Greenland causes sea levels to rise. Those are the clear ones where there's unanimous scientific evidence.
What are some of the challenges that you, as a climate worker, face in the US specifically?
It takes political leadership to have effective action at the federal level. It takes political leadership. And that's not something we're seeing in this administration in the past 2 years. It's been very clear uh, with the Trump administration's emphasis on deregulation and scaling back, pulling out of the Paris Accords. It's become such a politically divisive issue
Hmm.
since Al Gore's documentary, since the Bush years. It's intensified dramatically in the Obama years, and to the point where you have the most extreme deregulation agenda
Hmm.
today. At the same time, in the past 2 years, you see a lot of cities and states trying to fill that gap. Here in California, we have one of the most ambitious state level goals for climate, for carbon emissions. In a lot of ways, California has shown that it can be done. California has almost entirely decoupled carbon emissions from economic growth. So what
Hmm.
that means is over the past few decades, California's economy has been booming and growing with the tech sector, with property values, with a lot of agriculture. So the economy has been growing, but the carbon emissions, at least from within the state of California, have been pretty steady and in some cases declining. So California is a model for what the entire United States could do if it had that political leadership at the federal level. That's the first step. Then there's more work to be done after that, right? So what California has done is their emissions are close to being steady over time, but they're still emitting, right? Every year they're still emitting.
Right.
So first you reach that, first you stop emitting more and more, and then you can decrease your emissions in the long term.